Today I'm going to disable this Blackberry Bold 9700, and it was released by 2009 if I'm not mistaken. By that time it was still a very hot product, very hot phone after the iPhone came out, and it was just on his first steps. Anyway, so let's see how it works. It's not going to work anymore, but let's see how it's going to be inside. Anyway, let's start. We took it off, right, exactly. Let's start from here. So, great. I really loved it. I loved every second I had this phone. The only problem was I just try now to start writing something. I really don't know how I managed to do that before. I really don't know. Nowadays, with all these smartphones going around, if we have to go back to these phones, I think it's gonna be a problem. It's gonna be stressful. Probably people nowadays are more spoiled. Everything just getting easier with technology. This one comes out. Great. Don't want to take it so long. Wow. Seems like it's coming out, but okay, great. Let's open it. Some parts already open. Okay. All right. Wow. Okay. So far, looks good. Looks much simple. Let's open this one. I feel like I'm opening a laptop with all these screws. Anyway, I'm not really a technician, phone technician or something like that, or computer technician. But sometimes I just like to open things and see how things are from the inside, you know. Sometimes in life you need to know, if you want to really be good in something, you need to know it from the inside. You need to know how it works from the very deep inside. Anyway, we have this connector. I really hope it's the only one. I know I can see another one here. This joystick. Oh, sorry for my finger. I had a little accident in with the door of the car. But thanks for asking. I'm okay. Yeah, I'm okay. Anyway. So yeah, one connector. This goes off. There's one missing here. Comes out. Oh, okay. Nowadays, all the smartphones, iPhones and Samsung phones, all the smartphones, they have a lot of connectors, very tiny ones. If you break one, that's it. Your phone is gone. So here, not so much complication. Anyway, as you see, we managed to open it very easily. Probably back then, in those days, probably the technicians was much easier job. Probably now everything is complicated, and everything is tiny, and everything is more sophisticated, and that's probably why they get good payments by the jobs they do. But well, as you see, I don't want to go really inside because this is just a display. I don't see anything else. It's probably the memory, it's probably the RAM, it's probably other functions, and well, as you see, this is probably going to my sister. I don't know. Let's see. So guys, overall, back then it was a very good phone. It was very handy. Also the materials, they were some of the upgraded Blackberries. They were very expensive because the material was, you know, leather and all this kind of stuff, which are expensive. It was fancy by the time, not anymore. I really don't know what's going to happen in 2021 when they're going to release the new Blackberry, which I'm not going to be sure about that, because, you know, if they're going to bring back this kind of keyboards, people are not going to really get into it, because people nowadays in this generation, we have a very easy life, you know, with the touch screen and all these things, and it's just kind of, it's going to be stressful just to type a name and just delete it, and no, it's not for us anymore. Anyway, if you want me to make more kind of these videos, make sure to comment below. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscribe button below and click on the bell. Thank you very much all. Bye.